How to send USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow along closely to avoid any mistakes. So let's get started. To start, you'll first need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and log into your account now. If you don't have any USDT in your wallet, you can either purchase it within the Tonkeeper wallet app or deposit it directly into your account. So first, make sure you're on the home page, as this is where we'll be doing everything. Once you're on the home page, you should be able to see USDT listed. If you don't see it, simply tap on the Receive button to proceed. If you can already see USDT, just tap on it and then hit the Receive button. After tapping on the Receive button, you'll see a QR code and a deposit address. Now copy that address, you'll need it for the next step. Now open your Binance app and log in. Once you're logged in, tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right corner and then tap on Spot. In the Spot section, search for USDT and then tap on the Withdraw option at the bottom. Next, choose the first option, Send via Crypto Network. Paste the address you copied from Tonkeeper in the address section at the top. Binance will automatically select the correct network, which should be the Ton network. In the next step, you'll be asked for the memo. Please note that entering this incorrectly may result in a loss of your assets. To find your address tag, return to your Tonkeeper wallet. It should be visible on the same page where you found the deposit address. Copy it and paste it into the designated field in BitGet. Now you will notice that it is not there because Tonkeeper has no tag or memo. So for address tag, just type none. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to send from Binance to your Tonkeeper wallet. Finally, tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right corner, review the details, and confirm the transaction. After a short while, you'll see your USDT arrive in your Tonkeeper wallet. It's that easy. And that's it. You have successfully sent USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.